session. Today we are going to do the last class of summer. The first line is E a san si. So yo, E a san si, E a san si. So yo, E a san si, E a san si. And on E a san si, that's where you hit on the rim. Now let's try it on the drum twice using the speed of 70. Ready? Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is E a san si, E a san si o. And after E a san si o, you shout while doing a V shape. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's try to link them using the speed of 70. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's increase the speed to 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our last class of summer. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.